Hello, in this video I will show you how to cancel the subscription for Paramount Plus. Now it's extremely easy process. All you have to do is open the browser, then open Paramount Plus on your browser. Now, in order to cancel the subscription, just simply hover over your account, then click on the account section right over here. After that, you will be able to see your current subscription and billing plans. So, in order to cancel the plan, click on cancel subscription right over here under subscription. Then a confirmation page will appear in front of you over here. All you have to do is just click on yes, cancel, and once you will do that, your subscription will be cancelled. But let's say you don't want to cancel the subscription, all you have to do is just simply click on no, don't cancel. Now, let's say if you did cancel the subscription by choosing this option, the cancellation will not take effect until the end period. So, for my particular subscription over here, the next billing date is going to be 27/4, as you can see right over here. So if I cancel the subscription today, I will have still 7 days of watch time left that I can watch without a subscription plan. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.